Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so the code can be delivered. Check that the phone number or email on your Facebook account is correct and active, and make sure your device actually has an internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to test. Once done, turn off any VPNs, ad blockers, or system proxies that could intercept messages. Make sure you can receive SMS and email elsewhere to verify carrier delivery. Then request the code immediately while staying on the same network. Next, request the code and choose the most direct route, SMS or email. If SMS fails, open the Facebook app and use the built-in code generator under Security Settings, or apply any recovery codes you previously saved. Make sure your email spam filters aren't blocking messages. Search for mail from Facebook and check folder rules. If you see nothing, contact your carrier about SMS filtering or short code blocking. Once you try an alternative delivery method, wait a few minutes and then retry. To finish, clear the app cache or reinstall Facebook and update both your operating system and the app. Outdated software often blocks code delivery. If that fails, switch devices or open Facebook in a different browser or incognito mode so extensions don't interfere. As a last step, use the Need More Help flow to submit a support request and attach screenshots showing failed attempts. If nothing works, one key tip: contact your mobile carrier to confirm short code SMS is permitted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.